Achievers, striving for your career.
Hi Harpreet, how are you?
Fine, sir. What about you?
I'm also good. So, how your stay so far?
Sir, my stay is quite good.
Okay. So, what one thing you like about the stay here?
Sir, is about that people we get from different parts of the country, and we tend to know about the different places from there they come.
Okay, Harpreet, tell us something about yourself.
So, my name is Harpreet Singh. I belong to Tehsil Nowshera, district Raujawari of Jammu and Kashmir. My father name is Gurnaam Singh. He is an ex-serviceman from Indian Army. My mother name is Satwinder Kaur. She is a housewife. I am having an elder brother whose name is Jaspal Singh, and he presently passed from his 10th class. As far as my education qualification is concerned, I did my matriculation from Christ High School Nowshera. Afterwards, I did my plus 2 education from Ranbir High Secondary School Jammu, and presently I am pursuing BSc from Science College Jammu. As far as awards are concerned in education field, I have got several prizes for getting 98% in 10th class and 97% in the 11th class. As far as co-curricular activities are concerned, I participated in a marathon. I participated in an extempore during my school days, for which I was rewarded also. As far as my hobbies are concerned, I love reading books, I love doing exercise on daily basis, and I also love watching YouTube videos of mountain trekker. As far as my strong points are concerned, that is my timetable, commitments which I give to the people, and my adaptation to the different conditions. My weak points are physical fitness, and sometimes I tend to worry a lot about the future, and my aim in life is to become an army officer, for which I will not leave any stone unturned. Thank you, sir.
Okay. So, what you have done so far to achieve your goal?
Sir, if we talk about army, it's being officer entry. It's not all about physical fitness. There we have to develop our mental stability and emotional stability also. So, sir, when I was in 11th class, I realized that I was quite overweight, and that moment I started exercising on daily basis, and I inculcated the exercising habit in my life. And secondly, I tend to develop OLQs which are required to become an officer. So I also made an effort to develop those OLQs, and these are the steps I have taken towards to achieve my aim.
So, why particularly you have chosen for this particular entry? Why not for NDA?
Sir, actually I prepared for NDA, but I could not clear the written examination.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
What was the reason you couldn't clear your NDA exam?
Sir, first time when I went for NDA examination, there I was not able to, as I was fresher to a competitive examination, so I was not able to have a right approach towards the examination. So what happened that I was not able to attempt much questions out there in the examination. That was the first reason. And the for second time when I appeared, I did quite well, and I was expecting positive result. But when the result came, the results were totally against me. But I think there may be mistake in calculating the answer key. That's why I could not clear the examination.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
And what was your favorite subject?
So my favorite subject was chemistry.
What is the reason?
So reason is that when we went to chemistry teacher, the way that particular teacher was teaching, that was fabulous, and it gradually helped me to generate interest in the chemistry. So I became so much interested towards chemistry. Yes, sir.
Okay. How's your maths?
So maths is quite good.
How much marks did you score in your 10th class?
Sir, I scored 97 mark.
Then in 11th?
Sir, I scored 98.
In 12th?
Sir, I scored 98 respectively.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
So it means it has improved over the years.
Yes, sir.
Great, that's really great. So what do you think, like which is having more weight? 100 kg of coins or 100 kg of feathers?
Sir, 100 kg of. Sir, if you talk about weight, both are equal.
Okay,
Yes, sir.
fine. Can you give me the volume of this room? Can you guess?
Sir, it will take some time. I will not be able to do it right now.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
The greatest number you can make with a 3-digit number?
Sir, 999. Okay, sorry, sir. You asked the greatest digit we can make with 3 digit
Greatest number you can make with 3 digits.
Sir, I have no idea.
You don't have any idea. You are a science student here. Make a guess.
But, sir, I'm not able to recall it right now.
Okay. Why you want to join forces?
Sir, joining forces was my aim from childhood. As we live to a border area, so there we are surrounded with the army people, and we have seen the sort of discipline, the sort of adversities, and the sort of sacrifice that soldiers makes. And this is the first reason why I want to join army. Secondly, sir, most of people in my family, they are serving in the army in the one way or another way. So it also motivates me to join the army, as my family member are also serving the nation through Indian Army. So these are the two reasons why I want to join Indian Army.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
How was your school day?
School days, sir. So plus 2 education or matriculation?
School days means school days, yeah, when you enjoy your life.
Sir, during school days we enjoyed our life a lot. We had a group of friends, and we also tend to do mischievous activities during the school, and we have been beaten by teachers for that.
How do you
also.
used to carry water during your school time?
Sir, I used to carry it in a bottle.
In a bottle?
Yeah.
What was the company name of the bottle?
Yes, sir.
What was the company name of the bottle?
Sir, Milton.
Milton?
Yes, sir.
Oh, that's great. Suppose, since you already use Milton bottle,
Yes,
right?
sir.
Give me 5 uses of Milton bottle.
Milton bottle. So bottle can be used for carrying water. It can be, as we belong to agriculture area, so we tend to carry that tea in that, and sometimes we carried certain amount of eatings, some sort of small fruits we also used to carry in that.
How you can? It is having a very narrow opening.
So we can put grapes in it. So we used to carry that.
Okay.
And we can also, so we can also slam someone with that particular bottle.
Okay.
And we can also, sir, it may be quite funny, but we have also does the urine in that.
Okay.
Yeah.
Why urine? Like I couldn't get.
Actually, we live in a border area. So when June, July's are there, so we grow maize out there. So at that moment during night, me, my mother and my brother me and my brother were too small. And my mother was alone, and our home was not too much close to the others. So during that areas, the army has given instruction that you don't have to come out of the home in the night. So for that purpose, we did not come out of the home, and we used to do that in the bottle.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
So resourcefulness of your mother, and then you drink from the same bottle.
No, sir. Then we don't use, because that is emergency case. And if we are not getting anything, then we did it. Sir, we did it only once.
Okay.
We don't used to, actually we used to carry plastic bottles, but we did that incident only once.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Harpreet, what is the color of the wall behind you?
Sir, it is white.
Are you sure? Exactly behind you?
No, sir, it's not exactly white. It has got frame in it, and that some sort of yellow color.
Some words were written over there. What were those words? Can you remember any 3 words?
Sir, I don't remember.
Okay. Harpreet, what if you are not recommended?
So if I'm not recommended, as I believe in myself that I am a hardworking guy, I am a hardworking boy, so I will put my efforts in other direction and seek some good job.
So you will leave away with this, which was your childhood passion.
Yes, sir. If I will not be recommended in the army, then I have to look for other options also.
I am saying that if you were not recommended this time.
Okay, this time, sir. If I am not recommended this time, I am having a NDA ahead. I will prepare for it, and I am also having a TS entry, a TS 45, and 2 entries are there, and I have confidence in myself that I will be able to crack the interview, one of the interview that is coming ahead.
Biggest weakness you are having?
So biggest weakness is worrying about future a lot.
Why you are an intelligent boy? Why you are worrying about your future?
So actually that is due to the peer pressure.
What peer pressure you are having, dear, at this age?
Sir, actually we came out of our home. So there people talk a lot that this boy has gone out, he will not be able to achieve something in his life. But usually when I came to Jammu, I was lot of worried about future. But once I read a book called How to Overcome Worries and Start Living by Dale Carnegie, and I read that book and made application of those ideas, and it's helping me a lot. And now I am overcoming this weakness, and I have confidence that with the span of time I will be able to conquer it completely.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Tell me the chronology of
Yes, sir.
competitive exams you have appeared so far.
So I have appeared for only one examination, and that is NDA, National Defense Academy examination. Yes, I have given only one examination.
Okay. If given chance
Yes, sir.
to change your life once again, to start up your life once again,
Yes, sir.
what changes you would like to make and why?
Sir, changes I want to make. First one, I will, sir, till 8th I did not study well. So I was casual till 8th class. So I wanted to lay my foundations of studies in a better way. Also, I want to participate in sports and activities, as I do not participate in much during the studies. And I also wanted to participate a lot in co-curricular activities. These are the 3 sectors. If I get chance, I'll put myself in this.
Tell me 3 good points of your native place and 3 bad points of your native place.
So, good points is that, sir, we have a very, very clean environment. We have a clean water out there, and there are, sir, the people of that area are very hardworking people. These are the positive point of my area. So negative point, somewhat we are lacking in development. We doesn't have adequate medical facilities. Secondly, we doesn't have adequate connectivity, that is through roads and transport. And third one is we don't have much employment out there. Yes, sir.
Fine. Give me the chronology of the ranks right from the base of army.
Sir, first comes lieutenant.
No, non-officers.
Non-officers. Sir, firstly comes Sipai, then comes NAG, then comes Havildar, then comes Naib Subedar, then comes Subedar, then comes Subedar Major. Sir, afterwards I have to... Sir, other ranks also?
Yes.
So then comes lieutenant, then comes captain, then comes major, then comes lieutenant colonel, then comes colonel, then comes major general, then comes lieutenant general, then comes general chief of army staff.
Whom you are close to, your mother or your father?
Sir, I'm mother.
Why so?
So because my father was serving in the army, so most of the time of the year he was away from the home. So we spend our majority of time with my mother. So it gradually attracted me a lot towards my mother. Yes, sir.
Okay. What are your major strengths and how will you use these strengths if you join Defense Academy?
Sir, my first major strength is that I do exercise on daily basis. And sir, because army requires a lot of physical fitness, and if I am exercising on daily basis, it will help me to go through the rigorous training easily, and also serve me in a help me to serve in a better way in my further coming life. Secondly, sir, way I mix up with the people, and it will help me in the army in the way that we know that army is all about collaboration. So if I'm good at mixing with people, it will help me to adjust myself to that different atmospheres.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
How many girlfriends do you have?
Sir, no girlfriend.
Why? You are such a handsome boy.
Sir, but I'd concentrate more towards my career, so I don't involve myself in all those stuff. Yes, sir.
Why? Why you could not involve yourself?
So, but because during school days, I got myself involved in all those activities. But at that moment, I felt that I somewhat got distracted from my studies. So I decided that till I won't make my parents proud of myself, I won't involve myself in these activities.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Let us assume you have a girlfriend.
Yes, sir.
And you are coming from a movie with your girlfriend and your sister.
Yes, sir.
On the road,
Yes, sir.
you are being surrounded by some gunda elements.
Yes, sir.
And they say ki leave these two girls here and just move on.
Yes, sir.
What will you do?
So how many people are there?
7-8 people are there.
7-8 people are there. Sir, we'll try to run away from that place.
The problem is that your sister is wearing a dress which is not comfortable for her to run.
Sir, if we are coming from movie, there may be some other people around us. So I can take help of those people and overcome the people who are there.
Pardon?
So when we are coming from our movie show, so we will not be alone. Some people around us will be there.
No, where you have been surrounded, that is a lonely place.
That is a
Lonely place.
okay.
Nobody is there.
Sir,
You got a choice. You can leave any one of them, either your sister or your girlfriend.
sir, I won't leave anyone. That is quite sure.
But there are 7-8 people. You cannot do anything, or otherwise they can overpower you and they can do with the girls whatever they want to do.
Sir, we are 3 people, but I think with the help of girls, I can also overpower those people.
There are 8 peoples. There are 8 people. You are just
Yes, sir.
3 with
Yes, sir.
2 girls along with you, and girls are not very good at fighting with the people.
Okay, sir. We'll see. We'll call to someone.
And there is no way you. That is a late night show, and you are going towards your home. You have taken a shortcut to reach your home
Yes, sir.
faster.
Yes, sir.
But it was an isolated road, and nobody is there when you are being confronted by those people.
So I will contact the police that is available. So police is available there.
If police would have been available there, then why Gunda elements would be sitting there?
So sorry, sir. I am not able to get it right now. Sorry for it.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
If you have committed any crime without anyone seeing you,
Yes, sir.
would you tell it to anybody or not?
So firstly, I would not do any crime. And
Unknowingly.
if I do anything, firstly I will share with my friend, and afterwards I will share with my mother.
with your mother,
Yes, sir.
then what will be the reaction of your mother?
Sir, as my mother is quite honest, and if I have committed that first time, she will say that, sir, as I know my mother doesn't stands with wrong activities. So, firstly, she is going to scold me and will give me another chance to improve.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Don't you think that it's unfair because that crime could have be of a bigger level and giving you excuse or giving you or excusing you at that time is injustice for the person who is the victim of that crime.
So actually, every human being has shortcomings, and once in a life, anybody can make a mistake, whether it may be me or anyone else. So, mother, as she is a mother, so they love their kids, and she has confidence in me that if I do any mistake, I tend to improve that, and she will give me a one chance, and I will definitely improve.
If you get
myself.
recommend, what will be your first reaction?
So, firstly, I will call my parents and inform them.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Fine. Okay. Tell me something about like which was the best moment of your life so far, and which was the worst moment.
So, best moment of my life was when I participated in a marathon, and at that moment I was quite bulky. And even though I was bulky, I was able to attain sixth position. That was the best moment in my life, which I think. And so, worst moment in the life is when I was in 8th class. So, once we had a parents teacher meeting, and
Okay.
at that moment I was not good at studies, and my marks were quite low. And on that day, my parents felt very sad about my result, and that was the worst moment I had. When I saw the sadful faces of my parents, it hurt me a lot.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
What are the responsibilities and authorities you enjoy at your home?
Sir, if talking about responsibilities, sir, I tend to clean my home every day. And talking about, sir, as we belong to agriculture areas, so my parents also give me responsibility of agriculture work. And sometimes when they go out of the home, they tend to keep all the give me the responsibility of whole home, and they also give me responsibility of looking the animals, because we have kept certain animals at home. So these are the responsibilities they give me.
You just mentioned that your elder brother has passed 10th class.
Yes, sir.
You are 12th passed and your brother has passed 10th. I
Yes,
couldn't
sir.
understand this thing.
Sir, actually he is quite weak in studies. So he cleared 10th in 2-3 examinations. But sir, I asked him what is the matter. He told me that he is not able to study efficiently. And he told me that he is somewhat more inclined towards religious studies. He said that I have a lot of interest in religious studies. So I looked for a religious teacher, and I told him, Bhaiya, you can go there and you can study from that particular religious teacher. And presently he is pursuing studies from that religious teachers, and I think he will be able to do better in this particular line. Yes, sir.
Great. So how did you help, or you are good in studies, you could have helped him?
Yes, sir. I told him if you need any help, but he tell me that I will not be able to study in a better way. He said that I am interested more towards this spirituality.
Okay.
So I said that I'll help you to find out a teacher, and I found a good teacher, and presently studying from him.
Fine.
Yes, sir.
That's really great. Okay, if you have been told to organize a small function
Yes, sir.
just before the conference,
Okay.
and somehow you come to know that you are not being recommended,
Yes, sir.
what will be your reaction?
Sir, we will arrange that particular program. because as we know, programs are not arranged in a one day. It takes a lot of time, and we call the people 10-15 days earlier.
Okay.
So if we have arranged, then we will celebrate that at least I went to the conference, I did well, and next time I will be able to crack the SSB interview.
Right.
Yes, sir.
Who's your best friend?
So my best friend is Deepak Singh.
Why?
So because he's quite passionate about armed forces. Secondly, he focuses more upon his health. He is very health conscious. A third one is, sir, is truthfulness. He always tells each and every aspect of his life and shares with me. These are some of the qualities which I like about him.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
So he has also come for the interview?
No, sir. He has scored 82 marks and the cutoff is 88%. So he is not able to clear the cutoff.
Okay. And did he give NDA?
Sir, he gave NDA, but he could not clear.
So then what kind of passion he is having if he is not able to clear anything?
Sir, I don't know, he prepared well, but he was not able to manage the time properly out there. So he could not.
So you should have helped him.
Sir, I helped him a lot. Whenever he asked me that I am having a doubt, I helped him in the best possible way. Yes, sir.
Okay. Fine. Harpreet, suppose you are moving in a ship
Yes, sir.
and there are 4 to 5 people over there
Yes, sir.
along with you.
Yes, sir.
Only 4 to 5 people.
Yes, sir.
Only you are the person who knows surviving techniques.
Okay.
Peoples are Amitabh Bachchan,
Okay.
Sachin Tendulkar,
Okay.
Kangana Ranaut,
Okay.
your best friend,
Okay.
and an old lady.
Okay.
You can save any one of them. Whom would you save
Sir,
and why?
I would save my friend.
Why?
So because those people, they don't have direct contact with me. But my friend, he lives with me, and he has a very good idea that once he will get some job, he is going to help the people of my area to prosper. So if I'll save him, I'll be able to create the brighter future for many people out there. So I would save my friend.
Don't you think that you are selfish? You are saving your friend.
No, sir, I'm not selfish. Sir, I save my friend because it will help the prosperity of my area.
But if you will be able to save any of those bigger celebrities who are having a lot of money with them, you can use their money and you can request them to do the same. Since you have saved their life, they could have helped you in a better way.
Sir, if I get chance, I do save those people, but I won't take
No,
money.
you are having only one chance to save one person.
Okay. Sir, I won't take, I won't want that.
I think Amitabh Bachchan is having a lot of money with him. Then again, if you want to say about that thing, your friend will get prosper after 15-20 years, and they are prospered right now. They are having a lot of money with them. If it is about taking care of the people of your own area, so you could choose any one of them who is having money with them, and then you can help them. And if you have saved somebody's life, so definitely they owe to you in certain way. So you can use those resources to take the betterment of your place.
Yes, as you said that I am having an opportunity to save my one person. Maybe I will save Amitabh Bachchan and I will get a lot of money. But sir, money I may utilize in my area. But if my friend get prosper, he not only help the people of that area, he will also motivate a lot of youth of that area to do better in their life. And
He will do, matlab that is a future thing.
Yes, sir.
But Amitabh Bachchan is motivating people all around the world at the age of 78, 79
Yes,
years. He is still working. He is already motivating the people. He has given the meaning of how to do hard work. So what motivation you require for the youth? This is the motivation that just keep on doing the work. Don't worry about the result, and things will come back to you in a better way. So your friend will do. You don't have any particular concrete idea and concrete structure about the life of your friend, but people have already proved it in the world. So why you are relying on the person who is yet to make his identity, whereas these people are already being identified all over the world.
Yes, sir. So as my friend is 18 plus, so in 3 or 4 years he will get job. Why? Because sir, way he hard works, way he is having aspiration, I think he will be able to be at very good position in 3-4 years. And 3-4 years, sir, it is not a much span of time. Yes, sir.
Okay, if you get recommended, what do you think that how much salary you will be earning at the end of 5 years?
So maybe around 1 lakh.
And what about the salary of your friend he would be earning?
So he will be also earning around this.
So 1 lakh a month, 12 lakh a year will make any effect to the people around when you are having your own priorities?
Yes, sir. So it will make effect. So because we will be able to manage our money properly.
Okay, that's great. That's
Yes,
really great. So nice of you.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Tell me, like, what you will be doing in your 20s?
20s. Sir, firstly, I am expecting myself to be in the army, training somewhere in the academy. That is what I expect.
20s means from 21 to 29 years, like this much span of time.
Okay, I will be serving somewhere in the army.
That's it.
Yes, sir.
Nothing more than that.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So you are also YouTube accessor.
Yes, sir.
What do you see there? What do you watch there?
Sir, I watch videos of mountain trekker.
Why?
So because that person travels throughout the world, so it helps me to know different places of the world.
What is the name of the person?
Sir, Varun Vigish.
Varun?
Vigish.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
How do you come to know about him?
Sir, my cousin, once we were discussing about traveling and all those videos, and he told me that you should also watch those videos. When I started watching, it fascinated me and I continue watching that.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Great. So, any particular thing you aspire for in your life apart from being into army?
Sir, I aspire for the happiness of my parents. They should be happy.
Okay, fine.
Yes, sir.
It's really nice interacting with you, Harpreet.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Anything you want to ask us?
No, sir. I don't want to ask anything.
Sure.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So I promise you best future ahead.
Okay. Thank you,
And
sir.
I wish that you make good in your life. So have a great time. God bless you. Bye for now.
Thank you, sir.
Achievers, striving for your career.